Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? In today's video, I am going to share everything that I picked up from the Nykaa sale, and this is going to be like a makeup haul because I haven't done one of these in the longest time. I am super excited to show you everything I picked up, so let's get started. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette, and if you guys know me, you know exactly why I picked this up. It's because of all of these colors right here. They have this vibrant pink, a purple, some beautiful oranges, really nice shades of blue, and I really like Makeup Revolution palettes. I think they are super worth the money, and I cannot wait to create some looks using this. The next thing I got is from Maybelline. This is something that I have been meaning to try for the longest time. I remember seeing a picture of this product on Instagram and I knew I had to try this. This is their metallic highlighter in Molten Gold. It looked stunning in the videos that I saw of people using this. It's a beautiful, warm, rich golden color that I cannot wait to drench myself with. Next, I picked up this lipstick from Nykaa. This is their True Matte lipstick in Turkish Rose. I keep seeing Ankita wearing this, and she, I think, made me wear this in one of the videos that I did with her, and ever since I have had this in my cart and I never bought it. But since the sale was on, I finally decided to get this, and I love this color. It's a beautiful everyday nude. I really like the formula as well. It's a little drying, but it's very long lasting, and it's the perfect nude shade for Indian skin tone. So if you are looking for something that is affordable, you can definitely give this one a try. The next thing I got is also from Nykaa. This is their Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. Now I have been eyeing liquid eyeshadows, okay? So do you know of the ones that Stila does? They do some amazing metallic liquid eyeshadow that come in similar packaging. It comes with the doe foot applicator. This looked like a really good dupe for those Stila eyeshadows. It's called Golden Gemma. This is again a vibrant, rich golden eyeshadow that I cannot wait to play with. I have a thing with gold these days, and continuing the gold streak, I have more golden products. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is their gold ingot highlighter. This literally looks like a bar of gold, and as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to pick this up. So super excited to wear this all over my face. I could even use this as an eyeshadow, use it as a highlighter all over my body, and I think during the warmer months, like a warmer golden highlighter looks like stunning, especially on Indian skin tone. If you guys have, say, a wedding or like an event to go to, wearing a gold highlighter would really make you stand out, and I think it would also look really nice in pictures. The next thing I got is a setting powder. This is from LA Girls, and this is their Pro Powder, their HD high definition setting powder in banana yellow. I have been in the lookout for a good setting powder, something that is fine and just does the job really well. So I hope this one is a good one because I really like their HD concealers. They are so good for the price that you pay, and I'm hoping this one does an equally great job. So the next thing I got is an eyeshadow from Australis. This is their Metallics eyeshadow in the shade Midnight Foil. I've been meaning to do this very glossy black smoky eye. I've been seeing them quite a bit and I have not found the right product for it, and I thought this would be the perfect one because it's got this really beautiful metallic sheen to it, and it's got this wet, almost wet finish, which is exactly what I was looking for. They also have really stunning colors that I was so torn to choose from because they have this beautiful golden, they have this amazing rose gold, and they're super inexpensive and really good quality. Again, something that I tried from Ankita, so I'm just like getting everything that she recommended and the things that I try at her place. This I cannot wait to dig into, and I don't even feel like touching it right now. I have this thing where I don't like touching new products because they look so nice. It's a very weird thing, but yeah, look how stunning that looks. It'll look like so nice when you have like a very intense dark smoky eye with that glossy sheen on it. Let me know if you guys would want to see a tutorial on that. The next thing is from NYX. This is their Vivid Brights cream color in the shade Bad Blood. Again, another thing I picked up because of Ankita. She used this on me on a tutorial we did on my channel, I think, yeah. So she did my makeup. It was this beautiful burgundy maroon eye look. If you guys haven't watched that, please go watch it. She did an amazing job, and this is super pigmented, very creamy. It sets and becomes very long lasting. It's easy to blend, and we had a lot of fun creating that, and I have had this in my cart for the longest time, and it was about time that I got this. The next thing is from Sugar. This is their foundation stick. I got the shade Mocha. I'm not really sure if the color is gonna match because I remember like ordering this when I was slightly tanned, but I don't know if this is going to be a great match now. It looks slightly yellow, and I've heard great things about the formula, so I wanted to try it myself, but I think I got the wrong shade. Slightly darker for me right now, and it also has a brush behind, so it's like a great travel product. I just wish I picked up the right shade for me. I'm super sad. I was really looking forward to trying this foundation. If you guys have tried this, let me know how it worked for you, because sadly I'm not going to use it yet. And the last thing I picked up for makeup is this Sweet Secret matte lip color from Sugar. I cannot not buy nude lipsticks. If you can't tell, that's the only kind of lipsticks that I've been wearing lately, and this is in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. This looks like a great nude shade, like an everyday lip color that would suit almost all Indian skin tone, and I cannot wait to try out the formula as well. So that's the last makeup bit. And finally, I picked up a serum. This is from this brand called It's Skin, number 10 Power 10 Formula GF Effector. I used this when I was on a shoot with Nykaa. We were doing like this Korean beauty hack sort of skincare regime. That's where I tried this for the first time, and I really liked how radiant my skin looked afterwards. So yeah, that's why I picked it up, and I think that completes my Nykaa haul. I don't think there is anything else. So that's it for my Nykaa sale haul this month. I hope you guys enjoy this. I would love to know if you guys have bought anything. Let me know in the comments down below. New makeup always gets me so excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you super soon. Bye. Take care.